Ooh, I think I spot a cholo bike. I have made it to the Harley-Davidson Museum. I just feel like my knees, they feel like they're like super high up. So I got the bacon balls and the wings, straight fire. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you're new here, I am Pipes, and this is Midwestin Motorbike, where I take my Road King all around the state of Wisconsin and as much of the Midwest as I possibly can, just to show you the views and things I do and things I see and bring you along with. If you are returning to the channel, hey man, I appreciate y'all, I really do. So today I am riding up to the Harley-Davidson Museum because today is Armed Forces Appreciation Day. And they're going to have a little thing at the museum with military vehicles and, you know, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to ride up there and check it out. And after that, I'm going to head over to the House of Harley. They got a live band. They got a barbecue truck. I'm going to check that out too. And y'all are coming with me. All right, guys. See you on the road. That's the unpopular data center they're putting in here. So, I guess they're popping up all over the country. Not a lot of people are happy. So, see how that goes. Alright, I have made it to the Harley-Davidson Museum. Thought it was going to be a little bit more lively, not so much, but we're going to go over there and take a look at all the military vehicles anyway, since I made the trip here. And then I guess we'll keep it short and sweet and then head over to House of Harley. Well, you can't stop by the museum and not go to the shack or the shed. Pretty sure you've seen this thing in numerous vlogs, but there it is. All right, moving on. Oh yeah, I was talking about this before. On the weekends here at the museum, they have demo rides where you can just come here, sign up, and then just ride all the demo bikes all day long if you want. We're gonna go check that out for a second too soon, but let's go over here. It's been a while since I've been in one of these. Looks like they got some new model bikes just sitting down here. Let's go check them out. So I'm sitting on this 26 Street Bob. I just feel like my knees, they feel like they're like super high up. Obviously I'm used to a bagger where my feet are a little lower to the ground, but seems like a fun bike. I don't know if it's for me though. Let's go see what models they got for the demo. Oh, I almost fell on my face. All right, let's see what they got for demos.
This one you might want to cut off to get it in. Still a little tight.
All right, there you have it. We'll swing by one more time so you can see what they got for demos here. If you ever make it to Milwaukee this summer for whatever reason, come to the Harley-Davidson Museum on a Saturday. Sign up for a little Harley card. Sign up for a little Harley card, and then these are unguided demos. All right, so it's not like you're gonna go out on a group. You just sign up, you hop on one of these bikes. There's a predetermined route. It's not a very big route, but I mean it's enough for you to see if you're gonna like this bike enough to maybe continue riding it. But yeah, you can just come here and you can just do one after another after another after another all day long. It all depends on how hot it is that day and how long you want to be here. But so I plan on coming here sometime soon and then demoing all these bikes and making a video on it. So obviously, you've seen all the bikes so far. Which one do you want to demo the most? You got the 121, you got your standard street glide, you got your standard road glide, 26, you got your Heritage. This is the one I want to ride. I want to ride this Heritage. One, because it's purple, and if you've heard me say this before, if you watch the channel, I love a purple bike. So I really want this bike. It's between this one and the 250th America Anniversary Edition. But if I had the choice, I would probably pick the 250 America, but I would definitely get a 2026 Heritage. I really want one. Then you have the Lowrider ST. Then you have the Lowrider S. You got the Fat Boy. You got the Breakout, Pan Am, and then little Sporty over there. Now with the Pan Ams, if you're a shorter person, man, it's gonna be difficult. Even I'm 6 foot. And I was tippy-toeing on that Pan Am. I did that probably about the first year the Pan Am came out. That was the last time I was actually here at the demos. But I think that's pretty cool. Every other demo I've been to, it's always been some sort of guided ride, you know, and here you can just kind of take your time and, you know, do it when you want, how you want it. So all right, I'm gonna jump back on the bike. We're gonna head over to House of Harley. See you guys on the road. Alright, a little continuity glitch, but hey, we are at the House of Harley. Music's about to start. We're going to go inside, take a look around, grab some barbecue, and yeah, obviously you see I'm wearing not wearing a vest, and I will wear a vest, so don't mind the continuity error, just enjoy the video. Alright. Ooh, I think I spot a cholo bike. Check it out.
Nice one, ain't it?
Super nice.
You're coming from a mile away.
You'll hear me from a mile away when I hit my shin on those fishtails too. Alright, they got a little barbecue food truck here. We're gonna go see what it's hitting on. I love me some barbecue. I'm really hoping they got some mac and cheese. What's your favorite barbecue side? Hello. I'm gonna take a side of mac and cheese. I'm going to try your wings.
Yeah. Ranch, blue cheese,
Blue cheese, please.
blue cheese. And wheat.
You got utensils over there?
Yes. 4 utensils.
Papa, hold it. Alright, thank you. So I got the bacon balls and the wings, straight fire. I'm a blue cheese guy. I'm really not a fan of ranch at all. I know, coming from Wisconsin, here they drink ranch like they drink beer. But I'm more of a blue cheese guy with my wings, no matter what the flavor. Actually, I'm really not that fan of a buffalo wings. I like other flavors. Not a fan of buffalo sauce, but a fan of wings. These are just smoked wings. Got some blue cheese on the side, and then I got these bacon wrapped, whatever. I mean, wrap it in bacon. You wrap a shoe in bacon, I'll eat it. So